Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Today I will discuss with you one of the very important remedies for constipation. I still remember a case where the patient was so precise in telling this symptom, a very rare symptom, that led me to prescribe this remedy. The patient's mother, it was a child of about 6 to 7 years of age, and the mother came and told me कि sir, the child is suffering from constipation, बहुत तकलीफ होती लैट्रिन करने में, and the stools, the character, the nature of stools when she described was so perfect. She told इसको stools square आते हैं, square stools exactly square आते हैं. Now stool square is a very PQRS symptom, as you say in our Mater Medica, but you must understand and know whether this symptom is present in a remedy, and you'll be surprised to know stool square present in only one remedy, and that is Sanicula. So Sanicula, you must remember other symptoms of constipation also. It's a very important remedy for constipation in children's, where the stools have to be removed mechanically. मतलब उंगली डाल के बच्चों में स्टूल्स निकालना पड़ता है, इतना ज्यादा कॉन्स्टिपेशन रहता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द स्टूल्स आर स्क्वायर. दिस इज वन ऑफ द इंडिकेशंस ऑफ सैनिकुला, दैट इज स्टूल्स आर स्क्वायर. देयर आर लॉट अदर इंडिकेशंस. वन इंडिकेशन सो इंपॉर्टेंट इज स्टूल्स रिसीड बैक, मतलब स्टूल्स थोड़ा बाहर निकलता है और फिर ऊपर चले जाता है. स्टूल्स रिसीड बैक, दैट इज इन सिलिशिया आल्सो इट इज प्रेजेंट. And constipation, stools remain in the rectum for a long time. मतलब पेशेंट को लैट्रिन जाने की इच्छा ही नहीं होती. There is no desire to go stools. There is no urging, but stools remain in the rectum for a very long time. Next, you must remember that constipation, the patient has to strain even for a soft stool. These are a very important indications. You will get one of the indications in Sanicula. You can't get all indications in one patient, but you get one of the indications of Sanicula in patients. Hence, you must remember all the symptoms of constipation and stools in Sanicula, which I have seen in the practice. I am narrating and telling those symptoms. And the odor of stool is very important in Sanicula. It is written that the odor is of fish burn, very offensive. And to add to it, difficult to wash. मतलब washing also will not remove the odor. It is so beautifully written in our Mater Medica that odor washing cannot remove the odor of the stools. It is so bad. It is so offensive, as we say, fish burn odor. And sometimes the stools are like scrambled eggs. Of course, these all symptoms in homeopathy are very important. Stool like scrambled eggs, stool like chopped spinach, and stools clay like, stools like sheep's dung. These symptoms are very important, but this symptom you must understand how to take out from the patient. This patient of Sanicula has stools of scrambled egg. In fact, Sanicula also has stools like sheep's dung. बकरी की लिंडी के समान छोटे स्टूल्स रहते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स, एज ऑलवेज टेल, स्टूल्स स्क्वायर. इतने स्क्वायर के ऐसे एक किताब में लिखा है स्टूल स्क्वायर एज इफ कार्व्ड विद अ नाइफ. इतने ज्यादा स्क्वायर. एंड whenever the patient passes stools on standing, the stools become green. The stools are green on standing. That is also Sanicula stools. One more stool that you must remember of Sanicula is that stools, white balls like burnt lime. It is like burnt lime, white balls like. So these are the variety of stool symptoms in Sanicula that you must remember for constipation. A very important remedy, will narrate the symptoms. A very important remedy for constipation in children, where lot of urging to pass stools. Stools recedes back again. This is a very important symptom. Or the stools have to be removed mechanically. Stools remain in the rectum for a long time with no urging. Stools like scrambled eggs, stools like sheep's dung, stools square as if carved like a knife, with a knife. The odor is like fish burn, very offensive, difficult to wash off. Sanicular, very important symptom. Stools green on standing. Stools white balls like burnt lime. So these symptoms are very important of sanicular stools. I know whenever if you get a sanicular patient, remember this symptom and you will never fail in treating a case of constipation with sanicular. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.